Okay, so if you have 5 lakh rupees now, and you're confused whether to invest or to run a business. Okay, so first we'll consider the positive sides in both the cases. uh, assume that you are going to get a profit for sure. Okay, we are not going to consider the negatives. Negative returns for the first case. We'll assume that in both your investments and in your business, you are going to get some of a profit. Assume that you are going to invest in some company like Google or whatever company it is. You are going to invest 5 lakh rupees, and assume that, not as assumption, most of the times the company will pay maximum of maximum. It can even pay 1% in dividend or 2% dividend. Maximum they pay up to 12%. It is really rare for the companies to pay someone even 5 to 6% of dividend, right? Okay, so even if they pay 12% dividend, you're going to earn only 60,000 rupees in your investment for 1 year. Fine. Okay. Another profit which you can get is by selling the shares of the company you bought. But the shares won't go up above like 2 times or 3 times your initial investment. Maximum it can go up by 2 or 3 times. So that is the thing in investing in shares. So you are for 5 lakh, maximum you can get is like 50,000 to 1 lakh. Sorry, around 20,000 to 60,000 is the amount you are going to get back within a year. But if you start a business for 5 lakh rupees, assume that you are starting a hotel. Okay, and assume that you are going to get 3,000 rupees profit, like excluding, like after removing all the expenses required, rent, current bill, all the expenses needed to run the business. Every day you are going to get 3,000 rupees profit. Then within 200 days you are going to earn 6 lakh rupees, right? But this will never happen in investments. That is the reason why most of the business people, they just want to expand their business. They very rarely invest in stocks and those kind of things. They will also be investing, but if they're going to get like huge profit in their own business, why do they have to invest in some other company and wait for their look at their balance sheet, go through so much huge process, and then what do you call, expect third people to, other people to work for your money and earn profit from that. Instead, if you have the business skills, you start your own business. And I mean, people who have the business skills, they start their own business, and within 200 days or 100 days, depending on the profit they make, they are going to get back their invested money. After that, it is just going to be positive cash flow. The new money is going to come and go. So after 10-15 years, they are going to become crores for sure. So that is the reason why people choose business over investment. So yeah, it is always better idea to invest and do business simultaneously. But if you are a really good businessman, it is better to like use most of your money to run your business. So at the end, if all the things go right for both the people, like the investor and the businessman, businessman is going to be more wealthier at the end of the day. You may point out that Warren Buffett is an investor. Warren Buffett is an investor come businessman. Okay, he's not just an investor. He invests from the money which he gets through the business. So many people are having the wrong idea that Warren Buffett is just an investor, but he's also a businessman. Okay, he's the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway company, which is a insurance company, and they have so many businesses. He's a CEO of that company. If you are thinking that investors can make more money than businessmen, you are wrong. So so the final conclusion is that if things are going right for both the investor and the businessman is going to make more fortune than the investor. So you can ask me, why am I not in doing any business? I thought of doing it, but I don't know, maybe I've not find the right business yet, and doing a business is also not quite an easy thing. We need so many skills for doing that, right? We cannot just like that jump into business. If you're already having some kind of, like if you're over 25 30 and if you're over 30 and if you have some money for like running the family for next 3 4 4 years, and if you still have some money to take risk on, then you can obviously try business. Yeah, so that is the reason why I am not doing business, because I don't have enough skills and capital or like ideas to run a business. Okay, so I'm just giving you information. I am not a businessman. I'm just telling it out to people. Bye bye, take care.